Good day, everybody. Today we're shooting small episode about our shops. We are located in Siberia, in Novosibirsk, and right here we're having 3 own shops where we have stills, equipment for home distillation, beer brewing, and all of this. So right now we're driving across the city, stop at each one and show you each shop which we have and give you more information about us so you can trust us more. So right now we just got to mall. So the shop over here has been working since 2015, and so it's about 5 years, maybe 4.5. Yeah, it's actually really good shop, which is located on the edge of the Novosibirsk, so you're able to drive and you're able to find our shop where you like and drive where you want to.
And you dream about this very night when the moon runs down the summer sky. Could it be the morning of the spring when the sea runs dry and start to sing? Have you heard from the sky?
Yeah, so let's hop in. Good morning, good day. So over here we have a lot of equipment, also beer brewing parts, a lot of beer yeast, a lot of yeast for alcohol, for the mash, for the moonshine. So in Russia it's not prohibited, you are able to buy anything what you want. You can distill, and you can distill as much as you want, you just don't need to sell it. Selling of your moonshine is prohibited, so you need to pay about $100, and you will lose your moonshine still actually. So yeah, there's a lot of equipment, a lot of heating regulators, cylinders, glasses.
Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live.
So that's pretty much it, and let's drive to our other shop, which is just opened in this 2020 in the 6th of July, and it's the new one, which is not actually Dr. Gradus, it's actually World of Beer. In Russia we call it Mir Beer. And there's also our stills and a lot of our equipment, so let's drive to it.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roam. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand. Straight towards the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roam. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, whisper in my ear, make my troubles all disappear. Way on this wicked black.
So this is our shop that we just opened. As I told you, this was 6th of July, and well, I bought a franchise and I sell everything I want under this logo, under this brand name. This is Mir Beer, World of Beer. The main shop located is in Petersburg, St. Petersburg, so you are able to find anything you like. If you want to travel across the Russia, it's better to drive to St. Petersburg and visit their shop. So there's a lot of products for beer brewing. Actually, there's a main thing in this shop. As you can see, there's a lot of stills. Some of them are Chinese, some of them are Russian. They're like cheap Chinese still for, oh no, that's actually Russian, and cost about $150. So it's like not the best option for you. This is the best option. This is our stills. As you can see, Cosmo variant, Stillman 400, boiler, and also we have a lot of them in the stock right here. As you can see, here we have a lot of yeast, some variations, a lot of English yeast. Also we have New Zealand still spirit. I think they're produced in, yeah, they're produced in UK. So a lot of equipment, bottles and stuff, a lot of equipment for grain beer brewing. As you can see, here we have Vova. He's working in this shop. He's a manager actually of this. And also in this shop we have actual beer. We have craft. There's a lot of from small Russian manufacturers and a lot of beer from across the world. German, Polish, Czech Republic, even American, and Belgium. So there's we buying more to fill all our stock and just for people who are interested in some very interesting beer. It is expensive actually in Russia to buy something across the world and place it over here, but some people are interested, so they like taste. And I think I buy for myself a few bottles because today's Friday. Yep.
It was a morning in June when I heard that tune falling up to the beat of your heart. Like a white rain sails from a startled trail, our eyes met and then landed so well.
So let's drive to the next shop, which is the most interesting and the most biggest. Actually, this is bigger than where we're going to, but there are more equipment for distillation.
Before you could weep, I held your hand in mine, like a shell on a beach, waiting for your reach, falling up to the mountain to climb. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in this mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand in the jar. For the great moon in the middle of June, falling up to the polar tide. Though I've seen it before, nothing I've ever been told can touch this feeling inside. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt.
We also having shop over here. So this shop is working since 2012, and it was first from the beginnings.
Sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand in the jar.
Hey, привет. So in this shop we have a lot of products, a lot of stills. Some of them are unique, some of them are usual stock ones. A lot of equipment for all of the processes when you want to make your home distillation, home drinks, anything you like.
Through this world, will you guide me? Through this pain, will you always hold my hand? When I need you, when I don't know what I'm doing with myself, I'm a lost soul, walking through this world like I have some idea. When I don't, and I take on the baggage 'cause I think that I can, and I wait for the right time to go with my plan and come to you and tell you how I feel. And when the morning comes, I will feel that I am brave again. And when you pass me by, I will smile and makes me smile like a drunk. It makes me high like a drug. Makes me wanna be near you like I'm caught in this fog. And I wait for tomorrow 'cause I know that I can. And I wait 'cause tomorrow...
Also, I need to admit that my father was working in this shop for 2 years, and he was doing this for fun, and it was interesting for him to just share his abilities and knowledge about making moonshine. So this shop is actually unique. You can bring your equipment and you can ask to weld something. Our girls will ask and write everything you want, and people are able to order something else. If you want a custom work, if you want a big huge boiler, small boiler, everything you like can be made and can be bring to this shop. We drive to this one actually 2 times, three times a week. So there's a lot of equipment going and selling. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this tour, like this video, maybe or ask any question you like, feel free to comment and write us. Happy distilling!